Can y'all see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So yesterday when we was on, I'ma just you know prices up here at this premium. It sold all the way off. What did it drop down to? What do we drop down to?
Drop down to a discount.
All right. Try to clean some of this up. All right. So yesterday I was like, shoot, tomorrow, because the range is from like this now. It was like this. We was at that discount low. So I was like, shoot, I'm looking for buys today. You know, so this the news that came out today. We had non-farm unemployment change, and this guy right here, he talked again. He said something again about US 30, and it fell off the cliff. So prices already at a discount. That news was, when that news came out, it could have went. We don't trade news because it can go either way. It can go either way. When that news came out at 9 o'clock, uh, who was this Powell when he testified again, like he did yesterday? Prices shot all the way down. It was already in a discount, but when he said something, it just he made it go down to a deeper discount. You get what I'm saying? Then what do we have right here? You got that retail support. Retail support. Let me just try to clean all this up. Then we got this open area right here still. So I'm still looking for buys, even though price falling off the cliff. Let me go back to the daily. So, you know, even though price falling off the cliff, so tomorrow, 9 times out of 10, prices are, it's always reaching for something. Like, you see how clean these lows are here, here, and here. What's this below these lows? It's like this triple bottom. It's a bunch of money, a bunch of money. Then price tap into this gap right here. Then price just sold off yesterday. Where did it leave? It left this gap right here. So this gap right here is still open on the daily. So I'm still sitting on my hands waiting patiently for these buys, but not, price, it might just keep dropping down tomorrow and take out these lows, or, we might start going sideways and then, try to go up higher to fill this area in, this open area. So just sitting on the hands waiting patiently. and you could have drew the range like this little short. Well, where do we come from? Where we drop down to? So we below 50%. So this that whole discount area. Let's see if we can see something. Got this retail support. These people here, they blew their account. Price dropped down. Do we get a market structure shift? Price went up. So this was our stop round right here. This counter right here stopped these people out to our left. Look left to get right. Then price went up. It came down. Then we got that market. You see that? We got that market structure shift right here. It's a little short term high. See this little short term high right here? Price to the right. Close above it. You want to see the body close, not no little weight. You want to see a solid counter close above. And you got to ask yourself, did price leave a gap? Right here. And then you see hands, you waiting for price to trade back into this open area. And then you see, boom, we played it right here, traded into it. Price came back to it. Time ain't right though, but it did tap into it. Let's say with that we bought right here. Why are we looking to buy? Because price is at a discount. You put your stop loss at the close of that red candle or right below that little wick. And then you got to look left. You got to ask yourself, where the money at? Where you trying to get out the market at? And you just target it. What sits above these little highs right here? It's just a bunch of money. And then on the higher time frame on the 1 hour, you can see these little open areas, these gaps. They're still open. For when price has sold off yesterday, right here. And you got a little small one right here. So these areas are still open. So I'm gonna be looking at this tomorrow, but it's probably not gonna play out because the time is not right. But I'm still looking for buys because price is very cheap. You know, it's like it's going back and forth. Discount to premium. Then went from a premium, we dropped all the way back down to a what? To another discount. So it's like you follow it. You get what I'm saying? But that's all I have for the Dow. Price either gonna go up tomorrow or it's gonna drop down and sweep these lows on the daily. But we're gonna see. Just sitting on our hands waiting patiently for that. Oh, let's look at something different. What y'all want me to look at? Just to switch it up. What period y'all want me to look at? Let's look at gold.
Yes.
All right. So you always want to start off on your daily. Just zoom out. You trying to see where you at. I already know some of y'all already see it. What happened up here? See that? It's the daily though. You see that? Just draw it out. What happened right here? What's this above these highs? Money.
Money.
See how this green candle just reached up? Look left. Did it stop these people out to our left?
Yep.
And then what's the next step? So we got our stop run right here. What do we look for next?
We need a market structure shift.
Okay, go to your line chart if you can't see it for the untrained eye. See this little short term low right here? Price to the right, close below it. Now you got to ask yourself, did price leave a gap?
Yeah, it
You
did.
see it? So when the next candlestick open up, it should trade into this little open area. And when it does that, that's where you want to get your entry at. If price is in a premium, so let's say we sold it right here, sniper entry. I'll show you why it's looking to sell. If the range was, if this was the short, that discount low, we came from a discount. We went all the way up to a what? See that?
Premium.
Yep. So this that whole premium area. Why? Because it's above that 50%. The middle of the range price price broke above that 50%. So this the whole premium area. You should be looking for sales setups on a smaller time frame. I'm just showing you an example on a daily, first time looking at this. Price is fragile. You see how we on a daily, you know, you can see the same thing like how we can see it on the daily, on the 4 hour, 1 hour. It don't matter the time frame. Price is fractal. It's just more candlesticks when you work your way down. But you see, it's that premium sale. Big money they bought up just to sell, and then they bought it up just a little bit to you know filling this tap into this little open gap, and then you see price just sold off. Where is it going down to? It's going down to a discount. You see that this area right here is still open. It did trade into it right here, but it left this little area still open. So you got to look left. If price is in a premium, we take profit at a what?
Discount.
Then you see all these little lows. Prices. Finna take all this back. What is this right here? What do we call this area down here?
Inefficiency.
Yeah. But this that discount. You should have bought down here. You see how low price is down here versus this up here at the top. You see that? We was at a discount down here. You see it bought all the way up. Where did it go to a higher premium? And then once big money, they start taking profit. They start taking price back down the other way. So it's like they repeat the cycle. All they doing is buying low and they selling high. So it's like you follow them. Where do we come from? Where we stopped at? So discount down here. What do we call this area up here?
Premium.
Let's show this one down here. What happened right here?
Run on stops.
Got that push down, look left to get right. Start these folks out. They blew their account. They mad. Now you gotta ask yourself the price break structure right here. Price to the right, closed above it. You gotta ask the price leave a gap. Let me look at this smaller time frame. This is the 4 hour. Let me look at the 1 hour. It looked clean on that 4 hour though. Ain't gonna hold you. Let's see if we can get real precise on this. So we got that whole push down right here. Let's see what the 15 look like. You gotta find it. You gotta do this how you do surgery. You gotta find it. You gotta find it. Let's see what the 5 minute look like. Five 1 minute. I'm trying to find it. I think I like the 15 better. Let's see. Let's see what this 1 minute talking about. So on the 15, we had these equal lows. Oh, that's so that okay. That's the farthest I can go back. You know, that's that. That was that whole push down. Now we're looking for that. You know, that market structure shift. Go to the line chart. Price to the right, close above this low, like this short term low right here, short term high. So boom. Now you gotta ask yourself, you know, do you see a gap? It's real small, like right here. See that? It's real small. And then when price, you know, it broke structure, it came back with that trade back down to this little open area. And then we, you know, we did another little push down. So you could have played right here on this gap, but it did another little push down right here. What's this below these little lows right here?
Money.
And then we got another market structure shift right here. So it's like they're giving you multiple, you know, opportunities to get in. And then the price leave a gap. They left one on this little small candle. And they left one right here. Price reacted from this one right here. Normally I wait for this the lowest one to get, you know, be real precise, but sometimes you won't get that. So it's best to just play this one right here. That this gap right here. Or you're gonna miss the whole move trying to be precise, like because I be trying to be precise. You're gonna miss the whole move. So if prices at a discount, we take profit at a what?
Premium.
So you see these highs right here. here, all these little short-term highs. That's where the money's at. See all these little wicks? That's where all the money is. And right here, that's where the money. That's where you want to take profit at prices at a discount. So let's say we buy. We got three entries. See the risk to reward. You can put your stop loss right here, or I just give it some space. I put it right below this little right here, right below this little candle right here. Give it some space, so I'm gonna get stopped out. So look left to get right. Where the money at? Here, here, here. All you need is a 2 to 1. Gain 2%. Be done for the day. We ain't gonna be too greedy. Trust the setup. You know where you at on the chart. Let me zoom it out. Look at it. Like prices fell off the cliff. Like uh, on US 30, fell off the cliff. Where it dropped down to a major discount. So we know where we at on the chart. Everybody else don't. So we're looking to buy. We're looking to take it up higher to a higher premium. Trust the setup. If it hit our stop loss, let me show you. If price come back down and hit our SL, all it's doing is going down to a deeper discount. And I look at it as you finna get a better entry, but you want to see the same thing that happened over here. Stop run, market structure shift, and then price leave a gap. You want to see that happen again on this little leg right here. And when prices come back down to that open area, that's where you want to get your entry at, and then take it up higher. You get what I'm saying? If you was to lose that trade, you want to see it happen again. So boom, trust the setup. We being patient.
That hit TP already.
Oh, it came close.
Almost.
Not if you're satisfied with that, you know, hey, it doesn't necessarily have to, even though we drew this out, it doesn't necessarily have to go all the way up there. Price doesn't have to always go to your whatever you draw. So say you had it going all the way up here. Every trade ain't gonna go straight to TP. You get what I'm saying? So you got to manage it, as it goes. So if you said it hit TP, if you're satisfied with that, boom, go ahead and take it out. You know, take what it give you, because you came in the market with nothing. And you see how price dropping back down. You was up, let's say you was up $100. Don't let it come back down to entry. You get what I'm saying? So you got to know how to manage it, the trade. Don't let it come back to entry. No, See, you gotta take it. Take what it gives you. It gave us some money. Don't let it come back to entry. And then you see all these highs that it created. All this money up here, all these stop losses.
Gold loves taking people's stop losses.
Hmm.
I said gold loves taking people's stop losses. Like over any other currency or anything, gold loves to do it.
Oh, you like to trade gold?
Yeah.
Let's see right here. Like it did another little stop run right here. Market structure shift. It left two gaps right here. You can see that. Price came back down, traded into both of these two areas. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Anybody else trade gold in here? Gold has been manipulating back and forth, back and forth.
Hmm.
Oh, look at that. Look at this right here. Yeah, gold be going crazy, just stopping folks out like crazy. Oh,
I told you.
see that retail support? They know you buying. Every time price hit that line, they buying, they buying, they buying. Oh, they just blew their account. So that's how they looking right there. So if they run the lows, where the money at now? If they run out the lows at the highest now, so big money. They drove price down, stopped them out. Do we get a market structure shift? Go to the line chart right here. This little short term high. Price to the right broke above it. So that's your signal that the trend is going to go the other way. Now you got to ask yourself, did price leave a gap right here on this green candle right here? And then the next candle when it opened up, you see how it just wicked down into that candle, just barely. It can trade anywhere into this little blue area, but your stop loss got to be at the close of this red candle or right below that little wick. Let's say let's say you bought right here. Why did you buy? Because price is at a discount. Let me zoom it out. See, price dropped all the way back down, went sideways, stop, run, shift, gap, you play. And then it just ran up. What did it go to? It went to a higher premium. So if we look all the way to our left, like so, say we lost this, well, we didn't lose it. We held it the whole way, and then we got another position right here. Now our target got achieved. You know, ran out all these highs where these black lines at. We we blew all their accounts, and I think it's a gap up here somewhere. Oh, they got filled in. I ain't no gold be moving like this. I just been strictly on 30.
Hmm.
And you see how oh snap, oh, do we need to start trading this? What's going on? And you see how they just, oh, that's crazy. It ran out all these stops over here, all of this. They took all this back. Big money, they can do that. It's crazy. That's a nice little leg. That one leg right there, you could have passed all your accounts. How much was that? Sniper entry down here at this discount low. Took it up to a higher premium. So what do they call that? Is that 1,000 points? How they count this?
That's like 2,500 pips. Really, like it depends on like the thing that you're using. It's mine looks different for some reason, but it's more pips than 1,000.
Um, it was nice. And you got to keep in mind, you got your entry on the 1 minute. Let's see if they got targets on a higher time frame. See, we bought at the very on that 1 minute, and you see all these highs. It's not gonna be perfect, but you see all these highs. Sniper entry down here. Look at it. Zoom. This that proof that big money got behind the move. See how aggressively these candles just pushing up. Showing just blowing all these folks' accounts. Man, ain't no way gold moving like this. Ain't no way. That's a nice leg.
Yes, gold moves.
And you see where it's going to. Look left. See where I put all them black lines at? Did it take all that back? It's crazy. Your entry is way down here on that 1 minute. That's crazy. Now let me see, how much is that? You said 2,000 something?
So every dollar in gold is considered 100 pips. So from like 1,800 to 1808 to 1,809 is 100 pips. So if that's 50 or like $40, that's 4,000 pips.
Oh, it ain't no way. Hey, Jamie, we trading the wrong thing.
Can't trade
What?
gold on Apex on that.
What? Let me see. Hey,
You say you can't trade gold on Apex?
No, I don't think so. You can't even trade the forex pairs. All that's grayed out. Only thing I seen was micros and the regular indices.
Mm.
Brandon, don't mind my voice, yo, I'm sick. Brandon, you want my or Jamie, y'all want my Apex account download Ninja Trader? That I don't know how to work that.
oh, you bought some accounts?
I told you it did with the sale, and I was going through the email and I downloaded everything they said, and I don't know how to work that.
Okay.
I don't like it. I was like, I'll stick with Elite Trading and then the regular Forex. I don't like Ninja.
Hey, how can you change the
How can you what?
change the lot size on here?
That what you call it? You supposed to click that where the one that
Close the trade completely, Brandon. And now hit buy. No, it should be, you don't have the buy button at the top left. It should be at the top left. And then the panel will pop out. Because on my trading view, I have the buy and sell button at the top left, and then the panel will pop out where you can put a stop loss, take profit, and the contract size you want to use. Where's your panel? You
Yeah,
gotta find your panel.
I'm looking for his too. Like, where is it? Trading panel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't see your trading panel.
Oh yeah, you could right click it.
Huh?
Yeah, connect to paper trading. They have it. It should be in the top left. Hit the minus, maximize it. Go all the way to the right. You gotta maximize it. Take it, maximize. Yeah, hit that, and then it should be. I don't know why yours ain't show. Probably since you're. I don't know if it's because you're because you're on replay
Right,
mode.
right click it and like right click with a buy and sell. To go into the settings. Oh yeah, that shit true. Right click the screen and go to trading settings. Trading. Let's, yeah, it's supposed to be on there, man.
Yeah, that's odd.
What happened?
No, I said that's odd that you don't
Oh,
have your buttons. Hmm.
I'm just trying to see how much is gold. How that, you said 100 per point.
Um, every dollar is 100 pips. So let's say each pip was like $5. If it went $1 in profit, you would be um $500 in profit. So if it moved $1 like in profit, you would be $500 in profit, if that makes sense. So for example, like when you did the buy at 1808 and then you sold at 1848, that's a lot of money.
Okay. Cause yeah, I was trying to see. Cause it's like it's saying $14. Like I know it's way more than that. Stop loss moving profit.
Yeah, it was like 24 grand in profit if you bought it like at that low and sold at that high.
What? Let me try to clean some of this up. Yeah, I know we got gats all over here.
Have you refreshed your Trading View website in a while? Maybe that's why you don't see your buttons.
Uh, uh,
Yeah, maybe try that like in the next time.
all right. discount and went all the way up to a premium.
That's that recent news.
So you could have bought. So you could have bought. The barrels down here. It went all the way up to a premium. Take profit. Don't get greedy. Because when it get to a premium, big money, they taking profit. And then you see prices broke all the way down. What is that? Double top. They bought up, stopped them people out. Price sold off. See that? Just all sales. The price break structure. Yes, it did. This little short term lower here. Price to the right close below it. Now you gotta ask yourself, the price leave a gap? Let's see if it left one. I ain't see one on that 1 hour. Got one right here. So we got that break. Let's see what 15. Alright. So it was like right here. These two little counters right here. Market structure shift. And then left a little gap. So it's like one right here. This one. Like right here. And it's a little small one on this counter too. But it's like one whole candle like this right here. It just broken in little pieces. So let's say we sold right here. Why did we sell? Because price was in a premium. We went short. You put your stop loss right above the little high. And then you just look left. Look left where the money at. And then you just mark these areas up. All these little wicks like that. You know how folks be like, look at my trend line. They'll draw it up like that. You know, where would they put their stop loss right below the low? So that's where you want to take profit at. If price is in a premium. And then let me draw it out. So this that discount low. All the way up to a premium. This that whole premium area. The whole sale zone. You want to sell above the 50. And you want to buy below the 50. Down here. Somewhere. So we know we in the premium. See, we aim for that 3-to-1. And you could have got more entries in this little area right here. I know you can see that manipulation and all that. Then it started breaking down. Stop run, market structure shift. Probably on the 5 minute, but you could have got more re-entries in this area to add to sales. And then what happened right here is like it just keep, these it's, you know, these markets so rigged. What happened right here? I know you see it. What happened right there?
I was
So
telling you that gold has the most stop loss hunts I've ever seen.
See what I'm saying? Just looking at it. And I don't be fooling with gold. Stop, run, shift. Did it leave a gap? Yes, it did right here. Boom, price traded back into it. Now you want to play. Your stop loss got to be above this little high. So soon as price trade into this gap right here, that's where we get our entries at. So you could have saw right there. Let me see if I can find this one over here. Where my chart go? Right here. I know you see it. Right here. See that? See that? Look at this. What happened right here? See that? See this green counter had just pushed up. What did it do? Stop these people out right here in the middle. What's the second step? Market structure shift. Did we get it? See this little short term low right here. Price to the right, close below it. Now you gotta ask yourself. See, we broke structure right here. Did price leave a gap? See where I put that blue area? Price traded up into it. You could have. That's where you want to get your entry at. It came up one time, two times, and three times. But your stop loss got to be right above that little high right here. And then you looking left, where the money at? All these lows down here. But you trying to get out the market at? You know, all these little lows. And you just target it. And let me show you that. Show you this right here. See this green counter right here? I just reached up again, but it was like equal highs right here, or some kind of liquidity right here. Price reached up. What did it do again? Slam down. Did we break structure again? You see it? I'm gonna go to the line chart. See that little short term low right here? Price to the right, broke. Close right below it. Now you gotta ask yourself, did price leave a gap? Is this a gap? Yeah. What do I right here? This area still open. Price did trade tap into here. So you could have got another entry right here if you wanted to. Add into sales. Why? Because price is expensive. Price was expensive. From all the way up here. You got this big old consolidation. All price was doing in this whole area was just breaking down. Big money just adding to their positions. Yeah, big money adding to their positions. See how they walking price down? They add into their, they scaling in. Once they satisfied with the profit that they made for the day, and they start selling price down in that premium, they just walking it down, getting multiple entries, just making the market, stopping retail traders out, filling in these gaps. You see that? Boom, entry. Where's price going to? You see all these lows down here? Price just shot right through it, blew all these people account. Whoever had their stop losses below these lows. And look at it. We can't move price like that. You see that? They sold it from way up there. And look at that. It just chopping, chopping, chopping. Price dropped all the way down to a what? To a discount. So this what? So is this what price is currently at? Yeah. So this was what price currently at. So this what happened today on gold. These premium sales. It price currently right here. So it fell off the cliff today. Went to zero. Zoom. Went to zero.
Can you do the analysis on that very last little like buy area?
To my down here.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Look at this. What happened right here? You see it? Hmm. What's this below that little wick right there? What's this below that? Hmm.
Money.
What'd you say?
I said money.
You see this red count out right here? I had just pushed down right below this little low, this little wick. So that's the stop run on what? A run on stops. What's the second step? What do we look for?
Market shift.
All right, so go to your line chart if you can't see it. See this little short term high right here? Price to the right, closed above it. Now you got to exercise. Go back to your candlestick chart. Do you see a gap?
Yeah, on that green candle.
All right. So you want to draw it out and stretch it out in the future. So when price come back to it, trade back into this area. This way you want to get your entry. Oh yeah, you got a question? You guys.
No, I was clearing my throat. No, I actually did your analysis today and bought into that buy and made some profit, which is why I asked you
Oh,
to do it, just to see if I saw it correctly.
okay. So let's see. So entry was right here. Price came back to that gap. So once this happened, before all this happened, I'm already have all the highs, and when I'm trying to get out the market at, I'm already had that marked up. Equal highs right here. Another equal high right here. And then we got gaps up here. All this up here. That's what I can see with my eye. Put it in the future. So those are TPs. So I'm gonna draw my risk to reward. I ain't gonna get too greedy. So boom, I'm good with that. 7 to 1. You can't beat that. So we got our stop run, market structure shift, price left a gap. And when it trades back into that area, that's where you want to get your entry at. But your stop loss gotta be right below this little wick.
Gold also tends like to, after a massive sell-off, it likes to go back into a buy in the following days. But it's just that ping pong that you say.
Ping pong. What you know about ping pong? That was nice. That was real nice. I'm playing with this. So we bought at a discount. If we bought at a discount, what would we take profit at?
At a premium.
So you got to trust the setup now. Manage it as it goes. So you looking left where the money at. That's what price is gonna go. You just gotta be patient, trust the setup, see if it'll play out. Okay, target got hit. Target achieved. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna take profit right here, or I'm gonna take partials, take half my position off, and then just let the rest run. See if I can hit this other target right here to my left. But yeah, that's how you do it. And I don't care about, you see how price just kept going up. I don't care about these re-entries right here, all these re-entries, because just in case price drop back down, you know how I do those retracements. I don't like being in drawdown, so I'm gonna buy 2 to 3 times, like right here at the best entry, and I'm just gonna manage it as it goes. And you remember how I was talking about? So you see how that's a nice little leg right there, nice little move for 500 points. You know, don't you see 500 points? Don't let that come back to entry. You get what I'm saying? You got to know how to manage it as it goes in private. But the sniper entry is way down here. That's a nice little move. You know, take profit. Because if I was to draw the field from this low to what price is currently at, price is currently at a what?
You see, where it took those pause it. You see where it took those last lows, like right before, like that little dip
Yeah.
right there. That's the trade that I caught based on how you've been teaching.
Oh, so you didn't catch the first one. You
No,
didn't catch
that's
this
at midnight. I was fast asleep.
one. Okay, okay. Okay. So got that consolidation and price slam down. Then we get this shift. So that's that short term high right here. So price, it dropped down right here, start these people out to our left. So price went up, went down. Then see this green counter right here. Did it close above this little short term high? See that?
Mm-hmm.
Now you got an extra shift. So we broke structure. Did price leave a gap? Right there. You see that? Did it trade into it?
Yep.
That's where you want to play. You can put your stop loss right here. I put it right below this one because it's the counter that start the people out. Put it right below this little low. Give it some space. So how many points did you catch on this one? On this move?
Like 500.
What?
It went up from like that price to 18. 21, 22 today.
So from right here, it just kept